Hello, I'm Paul Bagan, a certified Dale Carnegie course trainer and coach right here in Stockton, California. Gone are the days of, well, hi folks, welcome. What can I do today to get you into a car? It's those past experiences that people carry with them that makes it all that more important that we as professional sales people break that image. Now, at Chase Chevrolet, I already know that there's a high level of professionalism used. So this video is here just for coaching purposes, reminding you of the things that we can do to project that professional image and have satisfied customers. The customer walks in. We approach them. We can say a greeting along the lines of, well, welcome. What brought you to the dealership today? Is it a particular car, or are you looking for certain features? This opens them up to not just giving you a yes or no, but to help you qualify what's important to them. Because Dale Carnegie says, talk in terms of the other person's interests. People like options. After you've got a little bit of a rapport going, you can suggest some options. Folks, may I suggest some options for you? One option is that I have a few cars in mind that are along the lines of what you're looking for. I'll be happy to show you those cars, point out the features that are important to you, and also, if you're interested, take it on a test drive. That would be one option. Another option is that you could feel free to look around here on the lot. I'll point you into the direction of where the cars are that I feel could meet your needs and would be of interest to you. And I'll give you my card. And then on there, you can see that I have my mobile number. Go ahead and just send me a text if you have any questions. I'll be happy to respond as quickly as I can. And now the third option is that I could just give you my card and let you look around. And if you are needing some additional assistance, you can get in touch with me. It's been my experience that when I've worked with customers, they like the idea that I take them over to look at some of the cars that are of interest to them. Which option would work best for you? There's your Dale Carnegie tip. Enjoy it, use it, and good selling. Again, Paul Bagan with Dale Carnegie Training right here in Stockton, California.